What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. On your other device, it is important to have your backup turned on. You could do this by opening your Authenticator app, and then we're going to go to the menu. At the top left, you can see the hamburger menu. We're going to tap on it, and then you're going to tap on Settings. Under Backup, you can see iCloud Backup. You're going to tap on the toggle to turn it on, and then you can see account credentials backed up. You can also see the email to use, and just take note of that. We're going to tap on OK. Now let's assume you deleted your Microsoft Authenticator app and now you've installed it again. In order to recover a previous account, all we need to do is to tap on it again after downloading and installing it. Tap on Accept, Continue, and then tap on Restore from Backup. As you can see, we have the option to select the same email address which we had in our cloud backup previously. We're going to tap on it, and then you need to pass through some verification. And then here you can tap on Send Notification. Now this will send some information to your other device where you're going to confirm if the number 18 corresponds with this device. And here you get to put in your passcode. And as you can see, your account has been successfully recovered. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.